Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Okay, I didn't expect to make another video, tutorial fix video, but some of you guys been asking me how to fix the GTA 5 black screen that you have downloaded from Epic Games. So some of you might be facing this. I noticed that this issue, this black screen and all those invisible flickering issues been occurring on mostly on Nvidia's drivers, users using Nvidia. So yeah. So today's tutorial is to fix the GTA 5. So the first thing you have to do, make sure you have downloaded your GTA 5 and make sure you have clicked verify. After you have verified, I'm not going to verify because I already verified and it will take some time to verify. So yeah. So after you click verify, first thing you have to do is right click, go to NVIDIA controls panel, go to program settings, and after that click add and search for your GTA 5 Grand Theft Auto V. Add the selected program and select to high performance NVIDIA processor. After that you click apply. So once you have clicked apply, you can close this. The next thing you have to do is to go to the internet and download this. The link is in the description. Click download. After you have downloaded, go to your documents folder, Rockstar GTAV, and paste it over here. Replace it to settings. So your old one you can put it as .bak, or you can put it as backup, your old version, and use the new version and replace it as settings. Okay, I've already done this, so I'm not gonna do it anymore. So yes, after you've done that, minimize. The next thing you have to do is go to search bar, graphics settings, and browse the app, the GTA 5 app. So yours, which is in the Epic Games folder, because we downloaded from Epic Games, it will be an Epic Games, click GTA V, and click GTA 5 app. Alright, so if you're gonna play on the Windows mode means you have you're not gonna play in full screen. There's a taskbar on the top, like this. This is the task, or perhaps like this. This you have to see this. Since it's a window mode, you have to use power saving, which will be using the Intel HD graphics. If you are playing in the highest full screen mode, put it in the NVIDIA GTX 10, which is the high performance mode. Alright. So for me, I would recommend you guys to play in full screen because it uses your NVIDIA with graphics cards, and NVIDIA graphics card is optimized for gaming. So it's better for you guys to play in full screen mode with high performance save. After that, go to your Epic Games and launch the GTA V. Note, if your GTA V is launched in window mode, you have to go to the settings back and change it to power saving mode first before, and then after that you have to go to the settings and change it to the full screen. If your game automatically go to full screen, then you don't have to do this step. Alright? So mine went to full screen mode. So if yours is not in the full screen mode, you have to go to, once again you have to switch it to Intel graphic cards. Alright? If yours is in the full screen mode, you have to use the NVIDIA graphics card. So once again, to switch to the graphics card, go to graphics settings and click on the options. If you're on full screen, high performance. If you're on window mode, power saving. Okay, So let's say you are in already window mode, but you want to play in an NVIDIA card, so you have to change your settings. Go to your setting, display, graphics, and change it to full screen. You can change it by switching to full screen. Once you switch to full screen, save it. After you save it, after you save these settings, quickly change to high performance and then restart the game. With that, I hope it helps you to fix the game issue. Thank you and goodbye.